Okay, here is how to use the membership function in CPS account. First, you need to turn on the membership function at setting, file setting, choose membership, then tick this one, use membership. Okay, so basically there are two settings over here. These are two different products. One is for new membership. This one is for renewing membership. Okay, here you can set it in the product page. At what price is your member application fee? This one is a renewal fee. Okay, for example, we go to product. So this one is one of the product. New member is 10 ringgit. Now renew member is 5 ringgit. You can also set to 0 if your renewal is free. Okay, this one is a barcode. You can set it to scan barcode for faster input. Okay, take this one, use membership. Okay, this one membership duration is 1 year fixed. Okay, this point value for 1 ringgit means do you want to let your member to exchange the collected point for the product purchase? For example, if they accumulate 50 points, then they can exchange for 1 ringgit to buy product. You can set it like 100, 150 or 200. Okay, this one is to convert the point for purchase to reduce their sales amount. Okay, so first step is this, you need to save. Okay, then you set the membership renewal cost. Okay, application 10 ringgit, renewal is 5 ringgit, for example. Okay, then we close this one. Okay, for membership there are two functions that you can set. First one is for member. Okay, you go to product type. Okay, you can select which type you want to let your member to have a special discount. This one, member discount. Okay, so under this type name set, for member they can have a 5% discount, for example. Okay, you can set different discount number for different group. For example, the clock, the member discount is 10%. Okay, for the set is 5%. Okay, now we go to POS system. Okay, for member you need to key in the name. Okay, not using the cash sales, you need to key in the name of the customer. For example, we choose Anish Giri. This one currently there's no member. Okay, no point, no member. So member expiry date is blank. Okay, so now let's say Anish come in to buy something. So there's a prompt here, Anish is not a member yet, join as member. If you click join, so automatically there's a new member, the one we set just now, 10 ringgit for new member application. Okay, so automatically set it here. Okay, let's say we pay. Okay, we make payment 10 ringgit. Okay, now Anish becomes a member for 10 ringgit. So if you go to client, you can see this one. Okay, Anish Giri, member expiry date is 1 year from now. Okay, 17 July 2027, 1 year, but no point because there's no purchase. Okay, how to accumulate point? There are two benefits of becoming member. You can let your member enjoy some special discount on their purchase, or you can let them accumulate point to redeem for discount in future purchase. Okay, or you can use both. Okay, for example, let's say Anish come to buy something from remember the product type that we set under set and clock. There are 10% member discount and a set for 5% member discount. Okay, let's say we key in Anish. Okay, he comes to buy clock. Okay, there's one under clock, so there's a 10% discount, member discount that we set just now. Okay, automatically there's a 10%. So for set, there's a 5% discount. Okay, automatically for member, but of course you can change it. Okay, for non-member is a normal price. Let's say we turn back to cash sales, delete this one. Okay, for normal non-member, it's still 120, no discount. Okay, for set, okay, still no discount. Okay, so go back to Anish. He buys a clock and a set. Okay, with a member discount. So go to payment. Before this, we can set whether you want your customer to accumulate point with their purchase. For example, this set. Okay, under this set, if you tick point, that means whenever a customer buy product under the product type set, 1 ringgit can get 1 point. You can set this one. Or you can set 1 ringgit gets 0.5 point, or 1 ringgit gets 2 point. Okay, you can set any number. Okay, normally 1 ringgit gets 1 point. Okay, but for this clock, there's no point. So when they buy clock, they don't have any point. Okay, if they buy under set category, they have 1 point. Okay, so for example, in this case, 1 has point, 1 doesn't has point. Which one? Set. Okay, set there's 1 point. So now for this set, there's 112 point. Okay, let's go to point payment. Okay, so you go to client. Where's Anish? Yeah. Oh, 106 because there's a discount. Sorry, there's a discount. So now Anish has 106 point for the purchase. For this purchase of a set. Okay, after discount, this one 106. Okay, after discount, this one there's no point because we said there's no point for this purchase. Okay. So now, when you click, come again, Anish. So there's a total point, you see, total point 106. Okay, member expiry. Okay, now when member wants to convert the point to like discount, you can set it here also, product type. Okay, this one you need to click this one, pay point. Okay, if you want your member to use the point to pay for this type of product, you activate this one, pay point. Otherwise, they cannot use the point to pay for this product group. Maybe this one, the profit is very thin, so you don't want to let your customer to use the point to buy. Okay, so let's say which group. Okay, clock, set. Okay, this one set also can be bought using point, right? Okay, so we go to buy a few more set. Okay, remember the setting we set in the previous one, the first step. Okay, membership. Okay, this one 50 point can get 1 ringgit. Okay, so now Anish has 106, so he can get 2 ringgit discount because of the point. Okay, so we buy some chess set. This one, okay, set under the same group, same product type, set. Okay, so this one, there's also 5% discount. Go to payment. Okay, so now you see it under point, maximum 2 ringgit because he has 106 divided by 50. So maximum 2 ringgit he can use to get some further discount, okay, on this purchase of a set, chess set. Okay, if you click 3, it will not be accepted. Only maximum is 2. Okay, so you press 2 and click receive. Okay, for this point you need to set an account setting. There's a post. This one you need to set this one point. An account for point payment you need to set as normally we use point, and this one is for voucher. Okay, so we click receive. Okay, so actually we need to click the cash before this. Okay, let's try again. Oh no, now the point already deducted 12. Okay, so from the sales just now, you can see that you go to the cash sales, right click, there's a point in and point up column. Okay, point out means just now Anish redeemed 100 point for 2 ringgit. Okay, for discount become 8 ringgit 50 cent. Point in because the new order, new purchase, so it gets new point for this. After discount is 8 ringgit 50. Okay, because of point is used for 2 ringgit, so 8 point minus 2 points, so this sales he can get 6 point. Okay, because of this point is used up for discount. So for these sales, okay, for this sale there's a point in for 6, point out for 100. Okay, so it is automatically calculated for each sales. So if you go to client, you can see Anish Giri point balance is 12. Then you can click under this at the bottom here. There's a button at the bottom for point transaction. And then you can see all the transaction for this member. Okay, balance. And also you can give extra point for the member. Description, point in how many. You can give extra or minus, adjust the point. Okay, then you click save.